Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're counting down the top 5 best frozen drink maker machines that turn your favorite beverages into smooth, icy treats right at home. From slushies to frozen cocktails, we've got you covered. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Fesoiu frozen drink maker. The Fesoiu frozen drink maker brings a new level of convenience and creativity to home beverage preparation, transforming ordinary liquids into smooth, refreshing frozen treats with professional quality texture. Designed with a rapid freeze smart cooling system, this machine eliminates the need for ice entirely, freezing beverages instantly while preserving their original flavor. With its generous 88-ounce commercial-grade barrel capacity, it can prepare 6 to 9 servings at once, making it ideal for family gatherings, parties, or casual home enjoyment. At the heart of the experience are 3 intelligent preset modes combined with 10 adjustable texture control levels. Whether you prefer a silky smoothie, a thick slush, or a finely blended frozen cocktail, the machine adapts with precision. Its 360-degree mixing technology ensures even freezing and consistent texture throughout the drink, delivering results in just 15 to 45 minutes depending on the selected setting. Simply pour your favorite beverage, choose a mode, and let the machine do the rest. Convenience extends beyond performance. The Fesoiu frozen drink maker is designed for effortless maintenance with a one-touch auto-rinse cycle and dishwasher-safe detachable components, including the barrel, lid, and drip tray. This hygienic design minimizes cleanup time and keeps the machine ready for the next creation with minimal effort. Functioning as a personal home barista for frozen beverages, it opens endless possibilities, from turning juice into velvety smoothies to transforming coffee into frappes or wine into frozen margaritas. The machine makes it easy to explore creative drink combinations without any bartending experience. With simple one-touch operation and versatile settings, it delivers consistent, bar-quality frozen drinks at home anytime you want. Next up, at number 4, we have the Mokero frozen drink maker. The Mokero frozen drink maker is a versatile home appliance designed to bring cafe-style frozen beverages and party drinks straight to your kitchen with minimal effort. Built for convenience and consistency, it offers a seamless way to prepare a wide variety of icy treats, from refreshing slushies to creamy milkshakes and even cocktail-style margaritas. At the heart of the Mokero slushie machine are 6 smart preset modes, carefully designed to simplify drink making. With one-touch operation, users can easily switch between slushies, frappes, frozen juice, milkshakes, margaritas, and a dedicated rinse mode for automatic cleaning. This makes it suitable not only for everyday use, but also for entertaining guests during gatherings or weekend parties. One of its standout features is the ice-free freezing system, which eliminates the need for ice cubes entirely. Instead, you simply pour in your preferred liquids such as juice, soda, coffee, chocolate milk, or cocktail mixes, and the machine transforms it into a perfectly chilled drink. This method helps preserve the original flavor intensity, delivering a smoother and richer taste experience. The device also features fast freezing technology, capable of producing frozen drinks in approximately 15 to 60 minutes, depending on the ingredients. With 6 adjustable texture levels, users can customize their beverages from lightly icy to thick, creamy consistency, making it suitable for both kids' slushies and stronger frozen coffee or cocktails. With an 88-ounce capacity, the Mokero frozen drink maker can serve approximately 8 to 9 cups per cycle. This makes it a practical choice for family gatherings, parties, or group entertainment, ensuring everyone gets a freshly blended drink. Cleaning is designed to be simple and hassle-free. The built-in rinse mode helps flush out residue quickly, while removable components can be washed by hand or placed in a dishwasher for deeper cleaning. This user-friendly maintenance system ensures the machine is always ready for the next round of frozen creations. Overall, the Mokero frozen drink maker combines convenience, speed, and versatility, making it an ideal addition for anyone who enjoys refreshing frozen beverages at home. Taking the third spot is the Keenstar frozen drink maker. The Keenstar frozen drink maker is designed to bring cafe-style frozen beverages into your home with speed, simplicity, and versatility. Built with rapid freezing innovation, it eliminates the need for pre-made ice. You simply pour in your chosen liquid, select a preset program, and let the machine transform it into a smooth, refreshing drink in as little as 15 to 60 minutes. This frozen drink machine offers 5 preset programs, giving you the flexibility to prepare a variety of beverages, including smoothies, frappes, milkshakes, cocktails, and even frozen wine drinks. Each mode is optimized for texture and consistency, allowing you to enjoy different styles of frozen treats with minimal effort. The built-in LED display helps you monitor real-time temperature, while adjustable thickness settings let you customize your drink exactly the way you like it, whether you prefer a thick, creamy blend or a lighter, more refreshing consistency. With its large 88-ounce total capacity, the Keenstar frozen drink maker is well-suited for both everyday use and social gatherings. The marked 64-ounce fill line indicates the recommended maximum liquid level, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're hosting a small family get-together or a lively party, it can prepare enough frozen drinks to serve multiple guests, adding a fun and refreshing element to any occasion. Maintenance is also designed to be effortless. The machine includes a self-cleaning mode that simplifies routine upkeep. For deeper cleaning, the barrel can be easily removed by unlocking the handle, allowing you to rinse the parts with water or place them directly in the dishwasher for convenience. Combining modern design, user-friendly controls, and multi-function performance, the Keenstar frozen drink maker makes it easy to enjoy restaurant-quality frozen beverages at home anytime you want. Coming in at number 2 is the Crownful frozen drink maker. The Crownful frozen drink maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to bring cafe-style frozen treats and refreshing beverages directly into your home. With its innovative dual-mode system, it allows users to create both soft-serve-style desserts and slushy-style drinks, offering a wide range of frozen delights for different tastes and occasions. One of its standout features is the rapid slushy-making function. Unlike traditional methods that require pre-frozen ice cubes, this machine eliminates the need for ice altogether. Simply pour in your preferred beverage, select the setting, and in just 15 to 30 minutes, you can enjoy a perfectly chilled slushie. The machine takes care of the freezing process internally, making it a convenient solution for quick refreshments anytime. The appliance also comes with 6 versatile programs, allowing users to prepare soft serve, slushies, frozen cocktails, frozen juice, milkshakes, and frappes. This wide selection makes it suitable for different moods and preferences, whether it's a creamy dessert for kids or a frozen cocktail for adults during gatherings. It is designed as an all-in-one frozen drink station for home entertainment. For soft serve mode, the machine requires a specific recipe or professional mix to achieve the correct texture, ensuring smooth and consistent results. Standard beverages are not recommended for soft serve preparation, which helps maintain the quality of the final product. Ease of maintenance is another key aspect of the Crownful frozen drink maker. It features 2 simple cleaning modes, and most detachable parts are dishwasher safe. A self-cleaning function allows users to add water and let the machine rinse itself, while the exterior can be easily wiped with a damp cloth, keeping it clean with minimal effort. With a compact design and a flexible capacity ranging from 16 ounces to 64 ounces, it is suitable for both small servings and larger gatherings. Whether it's a family movie night, a birthday celebration, or a backyard party, it can efficiently serve multiple guests. To ensure the best texture and freezing performance, mixtures should contain at least 4% sugar content, or 2.8 to 16% alcohol volume, helping achieve a smooth, consistent slushy result rather than an icy or overly liquid consistency. Overall, the Crownful frozen drink maker combines convenience, variety, and performance, making it a practical addition for anyone who enjoys frozen beverages at home. And finally, our top pick, the Aaobosi frozen drink maker. The Aaobosi frozen drink maker is a versatile home appliance designed to turn ordinary beverages into refreshing frozen treats within minutes. With its fast and efficient cooling system, it can transform drinks into slushies in as little as 15 minutes, with full texture development taking up to 45 minutes depending on the beverage. No pre-frozen ice is required. Just pour in your favorite drink and let the machine do the rest. This slushie maker supports a wide range of drink styles, making it suitable for both everyday use and special occasions. It includes a recipe book featuring classic cocktails, juice slushies, soda-based drinks, coffee blends, sugar-free options, and seasonal specialties. Whether you want a frozen margarita, a healthy fruit slush, or a creamy milkshake-style dessert, the machine offers flexible preparation options to match different preferences. Equipped with a high-brightness LED display, the device provides real-time temperature updates and features 6 operational modes along with 7 adjustable thickness settings. This allows users to customize the texture of their drinks from light and smooth slush to thicker frozen desserts. The machine can also maintain drinks in a chilled state for up to 12 hours, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. With a large 68-ounce capacity, it can produce between 2 to 10 cups per cycle, making it well-suited for family events or small social gatherings. Its continuous operation mode ensures consistent results without interruption during use. The design also focuses on convenience, featuring an automatic cleaning function. Simply add water and a small amount of dish soap, then activate cleaning mode. Detachable parts can also be washed in a dishwasher for deeper maintenance. For best performance, users should follow basic guidelines regarding ingredient composition. Sugar-free drinks require a minimum sugar content of 6%, while alcoholic mixtures should stay within 4 to 16% alcohol. Only liquid ingredients should be added, and setting the thickness to maximum helps achieve optimal slush consistency. Overall, the Aaobosi frozen drink maker brings cafe-style frozen beverages into the home, combining speed, customization, and ease of use in a single appliance. Ready to enjoy cafe-style frozen drinks at home? Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome product roundups and reviews.